One thing about classic car ownership you have to remember is to drive it, because if you're like me and you forgot to drive it for a couple weeks, the battery's dead. So here we are. We're going to have the battery tender, battery charger, and maintainer. We're going to plug this into the Chevelle, keep it going, and prolong the life of the battery. The battery tender, battery charger comes with alligator clips for your positive and negative, and a long enough cord to reach your car, not having to worry about extension cords while plugging this in. Once you got the alligator clips connected to your battery and you plug in the charger, you'll have it set up where it has the AGM standard battery 12 volt voltage. The select buttons right there can change it to either a lithium battery or the 6 volt. And then it'll have the light that says if it's charging and let you know it's fully charged.